This is one of the other seeds on the entire planet, and in this video we made it come in contact with an impact force of 575.14 newtons exerted by that car. We really wanted to find out if it was going to come out of this experiment crushed or uncrushed. Let us know what you feel in the comment section. These are the seeds of the African locust beans tree, scientifically known as Pachyra biglobosa, a perennial deciduous tree which is largely fire resistant. And for this tree, high intensity sunlight is not a problem. The bean is enclosed in this hard, tough and relatively thick coat which acts as a shield. But is it going to hold out against the force to be exerted by the cast iron? Let's find out. Wait, before we get to the actual experiment, we need to at least meet some conditions for it to be at least close to being successful and to give you an overall understanding of how we arrive at the value for the force given earlier. For this experiment, we'll need to evaluate the cast mass and of course that of the passengers in it. This was what we obtained. We are also going to take into account the kinetic frictional force, in this case, the rolling resistance, which the road is going to attempt to stop us with. With the aid of the cast speedometer, we will obtain the cast change in velocity, and using that alongside the change in time, we can compute the cast acceleration. Doing the math with these values, we will arrive at figures for the force exerted on the locust beans by the cast iron. If you will love a more detailed explanation and breakdown of how we pulled out this experiment, then be sure to check out our video on Patreon, linked in the description. That's one of the numerous benefits you get from supporting Juddy Science on Patreon. So if you're not a patron yet, it's time to be one. Simply click the link in the description and select a membership tier. That will go a long way in helping us. That having been said, let's get to the experiment. Let's do this. We're starting out at 0 kilometers per hour and we'll try to hit 40 kilometers per hour while monitoring how much time it will take in 3, 2, 1. That was after 7.38 seconds. That's an acceleration of 1.51 meters per second squared and a net force of 575.14 newtons in magnitude. Let's see what we have. We crushed a couple of them. The seed stood no chance of coming out of such an impact unscathed. Well, that's it for this video. I want to say thank you to all who made this video possible. That includes our patrons. And thanks to you for watching. YouTube thinks you'll like to watch this video next. Click to see if that's correct.